when it's July 11th and you already have Valentine's Day up. And your neighbor still has Christmas decorations in their yard. Too soon? What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Valentine's Day haul. So all of these products are from Target with the exception of a couple from Dollar Tree and I think one from Walmart. I've really become a fan of the Target Dollar Spot and Dollar Tree. But if you are looking to decorate maybe your office, your house, your apartment, all of these items are inexpensive. They are low cost, cheap, within budget. I think the most expensive thing in this haul is $5. Like I said, I know Valentine's Day isn't a big holiday a lot of people celebrate, but if you are looking for some decor pieces on a budget, these are some definitely good ideas to help you decorate. So after I show you everything that I got in this haul, I will go ahead and show you how I use it to decorate my house. There's also a couple items in here that I'm going to do a DIY with, but I will show you that at the end of the video. If you're new to my channel, hello, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe down below and don't forget to turn on your post notifications. That way you don't miss a video that I post. So first off, I will start by showing you the one item that I got from Walmart. I picked up this little candy bowl. It is just this little plastic bowl with a bunch of hearts on it. It was only 98 cents and it did have candy in it prior to this video, but somebody got the candy. Not gonna say any names on who ate the candy. So the next place I went to was the Dollar Tree. I love the Dollar Tree because everything in there is literally $1. So this is the first item that I picked up. It's just this pack of 7 heart picks. This next thing is a vase. This is the exact same vase that I used for my Christmas decor. It's red, so I just plan on reusing it for some Valentine decor. The next thing I picked up was this really cute wooden heart sign that says welcome. The next thing I picked up was this little sign. It just says be mine, love you, sweetheart, XOXO, and cutie pie. This is just a little wooden sign and this was only $1. I also picked up these 2 bundles of pink roses, which you will see how I use these later on in the video, but I'm going to use this as a little centerpiece for my end table in the living room. Dollar Tree also has a bunch of Valentine's Day bags, so if you're looking to get a gift, they have a bunch of bags, different sizes for only $1. I picked up this little glitter heart one and then this little multicolored heart one. I plan on using this for DIY, which you will see later on in the video. The next thing I picked up were these 2 4x6 picture frames. These do have the little stand, so you can use these on the tabletop or you can also hang them because they do have the little hanging adapter thing on the back. So these are also going to be used for my DIY. Another thing I picked up were these bags of pearls. There's 100 in each bag and I got 3 bags, so this will also be part of the DIY that I'll be making. And the last thing that I got from the Dollar Tree was just this little round fishbowl vase. So that is everything that I got from the Dollar Tree, and now moving on to the favorite spot, Target. So not gonna lie, we went a little ham at the Target Dollar Spot this year. The first item is just this little pink burlap heart table runner. This was only $3 from the Target Dollar Spot. The next items are these banners. They are made of felt letters. This one just says XOXO. This one says Happy Valentine's Day. And then this one is Be Mine. It shows you a little example of what they look like up here. And these were only $3. Hello! So the next thing I picked up was this table runner. I saw this and there was a lady like right next to me and I'm pretty sure she wanted it, but I got it first. So it just has like a bunch of different little hearts on it. This was really cute. It reminded me of those little candy hearts that say like all those little different sayings on them. So it's not a decor piece, but it's just this little $1 koozie. So if you're looking for like a little Valentine's Day gift, they have a bunch of little small items. Another item that I found was just this pink heart tray. This is really cute. It was $3 and I plan on using it on my coffee table to put my candle, my remote, everything like that as like a little coffee table tray. So another item I got was this little table placemat. This came in a pack of 2. It just says love you more with these little hearts on it. This was $3 for a pack of 2. And I also got this heart with these little puffball cotton detailing. It's just a heart placemat. This was also a pack of 2 for $3. This was the most expensive thing in this haul. This was $5 from the Target dollar spot. It's just this little heart pillow that I plan on putting on the sofa for a little piece of decor and just to add a little pop of color to the room. Another thing I picked up was this little jewel battery operated light thing. So I plan on using this on the coffee table as a little decor piece. So it's just this little battery operated diamond string of lights and it just looks like this. Another item that I picked up was this little easel board. This was $3. It's a chalkboard, but it also has the little stand, so you can stand it up on a table, write a message, use it as a little memo board. Another item I picked up was this little jar. At first I thought it was a candle, but then I realized it's just a little jar. This is really cute to put candy in your office. You a little pencil holder for your desk, and it's really cute and simple. It's something that could probably be reused not only just for Valentine's Day, but it has this little heart detailing on the sides of it, and this was only $3. And the last thing that I picked up was this little black mug. So I've been super into coffee lately. It has little hearts. It's the same design as this white one. They had a white one and I think a pink one in this, but I chose to get the black. These two items I almost forgot about. My grandma actually gave me these items from These are from Walmart. These are little dish towel sets. This one just has a little cluster of hearts and this one just has one big heart. So another quick thing before I forget, but this is the Valentine's Day wreath that I made. It lights up. I'm so proud of it. So happy with the way it came out. If you're looking for a holiday wreath or some kind of wreath of some sort, my mom and I make them, so let me know. Okay guys, so that is everything that I have for this haul. I hope you found it helpful. Like I said, if you're trying to decorate your office, your apartment, your house, anything on a budget, these items are definitely great ideas for you. Again, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe down below and give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
Luna, will you be my Valentine?